The industry has been talking a lot about AI lately, and talking, and talking. We've been taking action. Since 2008, Siemens has been setting the standard for verifiable AI and EDA applications. EDA applications that demand robust AI solutions, delivering predictable, repeatable, and verifiable outcomes without unpredictable AI hallucinations. It is the standard that helps engineers increase productivity, to gain insights you can trust and get results faster. You need to take action now, ramping up with out-of-the-box AI solutions that achieve better results quicker and more accurately. And Siemens is helping ensure that your intellectual property is safe. Protecting your data is at the core of our AI solutions, in-app, in-house, and securely in your control. Enter a new era of actionable design, moving from concept to manufacturing, with production-proven AI-driven solutions. Siemens EDA AI.